Oh my goodness. Grabe, 2 beses kong sinot to. But that's fine. I accepted the challenge for you guys. Alright, so today. Okay, so ngayon, techniques that we are going to talk about. We have 3 techniques all in all for today. First one is the zipper. Second is the inward tongue roll. Third is the Sega Sound. Okay, so basically, combination to ng dalawang technique, yung zipper and then yung inward tongue roll, yung magiging Sega Sound natin. Pero we'll do that step by step in just one video. So, una sa lahat, shoutouts sa First Beat Effect. Shoutouts to PHBA, Philippine Human Beatbox Alliance, Beatbox All-Stars, Microphone Mechanics, Roxor Beat. Lupit mo, ang sipag mo mag-share. Thank you, man. Bacol Beatbox Community, Cebu Elite Beatboxers, and sa lahat ng beatboxers dyan sa Mindanao, sila Harold, sila Kirby, and sino pa ba? Basta beatboxers ng Mindanao, Visayas, and Luzon. Without further ado, step number 1 or technique number 1 will be zipper. Okay, so madali lang tong zipper na to. Alright, so zipper will require some air. We need to breathe in some air in order for us to do that. So we are going to divide that zipper into 3 parts, or 2 parts, I mean. First part will be the position of your mouth. So if you guys remember on the first tutorial or on the previous tutorial where we tackle different kinds of scratches, in particular the crab scratch, remember that part na ganito ko kayo ng bibig. Tapos sinabi ko sa inyo dapat may natiring ganyang kaliit. So this time for the zipper, di ba ganyan yung sa crab scratch, ganyang kaliit na butas, ganito. Yung sa zipper, kailangan natin mas liitan pa. As in, super liit. Super liit na kapag humigop kayo ng hangin, merong parang may nakaharang na. Okay, that's step number 1. Step number 2, this will require you to inhale a lot of air while your mouth has that really, really tiny hole. Yes. So, yung magiging tunog niya is, di ba, first step is magiging ganito. And then, second step will be, you guys will need to breathe some air. A lot of air. So, ganyan yung magiging tunog niya sa... Hey, mahal. Kaya inulit ko, mahal. Medyo nagets ko na yun eh. Mas madaling concept. So, that's the zipper. Nung first time kong ginawa to, well, 2 days ko siyang practice straight. Madali lang siya kasi yun lang yung 2 step yung gagawin mo. It's just that yung amount ng hangin na hihigupin mo is madami. So, medyo mauubusan ka ng space sa baga mo, no? Pero, that's the zipper sound. So, yung zipper, para maging tunog putol siya, yung parang ganito. You need to interrupt your breathing. Kailangan yung putulin din yung paghinga nyo. At the same time, i-close yung bibig nyo. As in, parang zip talaga. Zip tight. Na parang, yung parang ganun siya. And at the same time, di ba humihigop kayo ng hangin? Putulin nyo rin yung paghigop nyo ng hangin. Just like, so parang yung bitin siya. So pagsasabayin nyo yung pagsara ng bibig at yung medyo bitin na paghigop ng hangin. So it will sound like so ganun yung zipper sound. I-adjust nyo na lang yung bibig nyo. The more na mahigpit or the more na maliit yung butas, the more na mas matulis yung tunog or mas high pitch pakinggan. Parang ganito. Ito yung normal. Ganyan yung normal. Yung tinuro ko sa inyo kanina. Pero kung yung posisyon ng bibig nyo mas mahigpit and more pressure dito sa may labi nyo banda dito, then mas mataas yung pitch niya. Just like this one. So yun na yun. Yun yung zipper sound. Next one is the so technically dapat mag-proceed na tayo sa Sega Sound na, but before we can proceed to that technique, kailangan natin pag-aralan ang inward tongue roll. Medyo tricky itong technique na to, pero eventually makukuha nyo pa rin. So, hahatiin natin sa tatlong parts or tatlong step ang inward tongue roll. First step is you position your tongue. This is your tongue, right? This is the tip of your tongue. This is where you taste your food. So position your tongue like this. So parang i-bend nyo siya. You bend your tongue like that. Then stick it on the roof of your mouth, dito sa may ngalangalan nyo banda. And then you apply pressure na sobrang tigas, as in nakaangat talaga siya dyan. Yung muscle nyo dito is may pressure talaga. Okay, so that's the first step. Second step, you inhale through your mouth. But this time, yung inhale na yon, yung hangin na mahihigop nyo should pass at the center of your tongue. Dito. Habang nakadikit siya sa may ngalangalan nyo. Habang may pressure na naka-apply doon sa dila nyo. So, it will sound like di ba may pressure na? Kapag nasanay na kayo or while you're doing it, di ba nakabuka yung big. Try to do it while the position of your mouth is this. Gets? Try to do that. Then, after you practiced it, I don't know, for a day or 2 or 3 days, try to release the pressure bit by bit. At parang niluluwagan nyo na yung, or unti-unti nyo nang pinapantay yung dila nyo ulit. So, it will sound like, bagay na to. Ito Again. Hanggang sa hindi na mag-touch yung dila nyo sa ngalangalan nyo na nakaganyan na lang siya. Kasi magbabibrate na yan. So again, it's so ganun siya. If this is your first time doing that, doing the inward tongue roll, I want you to practice that one first. Or get used to the breathing and sucking of air. Para masanay rin yung baga nyo, you know. Next one will be Sega Sound. So, ginamit tong Sega Sound na to ni Korean FX. Shoutout nga pala sa kanya. Lupit niya mag ganyan-ganyan. Mas matining. Ibig sabihin, mas maliit yung butas ng bibig niya. Okay, so we are going to combine the zipper and the inward tongue roll. So, kapag nasanay na kayo sa inward tongue roll, it will be easier for us to execute the Sega Sound. Kasi combination lang yan ng dalawa eh. So, the way Sega Sound works is this. Position your mouth like this. And then execute that inward tongue roll like this. Kung mapapansin nyo, nandun pa rin ako sa basic concept na may pressure, pero nire-release ko rin agad. Nandun pa rin ako sa concept na yon. Pero ang pinagkaiba lang is meron ng zipper na sound. Just like this. So yun, guys, keep on practicing that technique. I hope this tutorial is very helpful to you, or sana may natutunan kayo sa tutorial na to. I know this technique will not be easy, especially the Sega Sound, kasi inward tongue roll pa lang medyo tricky na eh. You know, as a normal guy dati, parang para sa akin imposible itong inward tongue roll, kasi how can you pronounce something na vibration na paloob? So it was impossible. But well, as I go along with the beatboxing, I just put my dedication into it. Like, by the way, trivia, yung Sega Sound na yan, or yung inward tongue roll, nagkulong ako sa bahay ng 2 linggo. After school, diretso bahay, kulong, bago pumasok, para lang makuha yung Sega Sound or yung inward tongue roll na yan. So, if you're a bit discouraged about that technique, don't be. Just keep on doing it, keep on practicing it, because eventually in the long run, makukuha nyo yan. Dedication lang talaga, then tamang positioning ng dila sa loob ng bibig nyo. Alright, so yep, thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, and yep, you might want to like this video as well, and you might want to share it with your friends if you want them to learn, lalo na sa mga Filipino beatboxers. Oh, and also leave a comment below of the techniques that you wanted to learn, because right now I'm making my own. I'm just uploading the basics, you know, kung paano ko siya natutunan dati, step by step, in order. Yung parang ganun. Yung step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Yung parang ganun yung concept ko ngayon eh. Pero I am willing to skip if, you know, there are requests. And by the way, my next tutorial will be different or 3 types of snares na alam ko Kasi, so meron na tayong rimshot, naturo ko na sa isang tutorial. Inward K snare. So, on my next tutorial, that will be PF snare. Inward PF snare. And may tawag dito pero ganito yung tunog niya. Ginagamit siya pang party. Parang ganun. So I'm gonna teach you that technique, guys. It's very simple. So see you on my next tutorial. Peace, bro.